Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn lesson number 9 through 17. Okay, number 9, it is do, re, do, sol. 1 and 2 and or یک و دو و. Let me tell you something here. That's a good point and in this point. So, okay, whenever you're going just to play do, it is okay if you touch a little bit, a percentage of sol also. Or whenever you play sol, it is okay if you touch your mizrab, going to touch or play on the other strings, on bam. But it's supposed to just be 10% or 20% because we are going just to listen to the main note. But because setar is a vahon or pedal instrument, it is okay to touch other strings too, because later we are going just to get feeling or crescendo, decrescendo, the nuance from the very low to high resonance or volume. So right now you're supposed to practice do by itself, but it is okay if you touch sol. 1 and 2 and number 9. And sukut و. So just be relaxed on your right hand. Another thing, you're supposed to practice very slowly, like 1 and 2 and after a while you can play it faster and faster and get mastered. Number 10. Okay, we are going just to use everything that we already know. Do, sol, re and la. 1 and 2 and. سکوت و. سکوت و. Number 11, right now we are practicing half note. Later we're supposed to practice res or tremolo on half note. We are going just to start it on number 17, lesson number 17. Right now, just count it. 1 and 2 and hold the note. 1 and 2 and do and rest. 1 and 2 and la and 2 and sol, rest. Number 12, same. Sol, la, sol, la, sol, re, do, sol, do, rest. If you just see the second note on lesson 12, you can see little bow under the number. That means finger position on G string or C sol. Number 13 is going just to teach you mi and si, 2 new notes. Okay, here you're supposed to know about the interval. 1 step, re to mi or D to E. First we have flat, E flat. Then we have quarter tone, E quarter tone. Then we have natural. So between re and mi, we have mi bemol and mi quarter tone, then natural. Between la and si, we have si bemol, si coron or si or b quarter tone, and then natural. Here you go. Do, re, mi. So you leave these two, just leave it alone. Do, re, mi, re. Same. Number 14, sol, la, si, la, sol, la, si, do, like free, do, this the first string, and then when you're coming back to C, please note that you're supposed to, you must have your first finger on its position, la. Do, si, at the same time, not after each other's. Do, si, so please practice a lot. do, si, la, sol. Number 14 again. Number 15. 1 and 2 and sol, la, si, do and 2 and re, fa, do, fa, mi, re, do. Number 16. 1 and 2 and. Same when you are going just to play do, si. Again, you're supposed to remember any note where second finger necessarily needs its first finger be positioned. Stay on its place or station or home. Later we are going just to learn fa or do for on your third string. It's supposed to stay. We cannot do this. We cannot do that. It's supposed to stay in its position. Lesson number 17. You are going just to start from me, and here is a good point that you are going to learn tremolo but not fast. For each quarter note play 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and then راست چپ راست چپ راست چپ راست چپ. Rest, re. And please practice to make it faster and faster like this. 1 and 2 and. Our goal would be this.